Want to make free cinematic style videos on your phone without paying? Watch this.
This is how to make perfect free AI videos with your phone using Pixverse and Kreen AI. Let's get right into it.
Give me a video prompt rather, because you don't want to script and show you something. Give me a video prompt of an African setting with African characters. A family of three having their normal 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 house, okay, having their normal chats. No, because you have to tell it what exactly to normal day. At home, it has to contain African architecture and can we just leave that African architecture? Give me a prompt with African characters with that look very real. Give me a video prompt that speaks first, because you're about to put it into Pixverse AI generator. Give me a video prompt that Pixverse can understand clearly in 5 seconds. So let's see what it will give us. Okay, so does it. So up here you can see 30 credits. I'm not on any plan of Pixels. I'm just trying to show you how Pixels can be a free AI tool, because they give 60 credits every day. Alright, so let's create text to video. So I've copied our prompt from Grok. I'm just paste it here. Then let's see, create. So it said our video is generating, and let us know when it's ready. So let's wait for it. So it took me 30 credits to just make that video I made. But then by tomorrow, it rolls over every single day. You have the credits. I'll also show you Chrome AI tool, a free AI tool for credits too. So you can make many videos and you give it free credit from here, free credit from here. Our draft is ready. Let's see what they give us. See, it has the watermark of Pixverse. So in most is because I'm not on any plan of Pixverse. That's one. And two is that because you want to upload a video without the watermark, you just have to look for tools, AI tools that can remove the watermark for you. So probably my next video is something I'm sure that's, but let's download. We download as an MP4. So this is me introducing a new free AI tool. It has paid features. There's no AI tool that doesn't have in-app purchases. There's none. But there are ones that are more free than the others. And this is one of them. It does have an app. It's not on Play Store. It's not on Apple Store either. But it gives 100 credits every day. Every day it rolls over 100 credits. But then it takes 55 credits to make a video. To make a video for you, it takes 55 credits. Pixverse takes 30 credits to make a video for you. So most times what I do say is you can, if you're on a tight budget, don't have the money, you can easily, in a couple of maybe 4 days, to produce a long video, like 20 minutes or so, you can produce, together with Pixverse and Kreen, you can produce a movie with its on a very tight budget based on free credits. But you have to have the patience to wait for days, probably 4 days or so, to bring out a video. Right. But be rest assured that each video I'm bringing out is perfect. It's really good. Really, really good. So this is the video I made. I logged in, and because I'm on a free plan on it too, it's so to make an image. I still have about 45 credits, and I can create an image, but I can make a video. If I click on video, it increases 55, and my credits at the moment is 45, so I can make a video. But look at the video I did create with prompts and oh,
Ah.
So you do what works for you.